Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. Today I am going to tell you how you can download no copyright videos for YouTube. So let's start the video without doing any delay. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel. So to download non-copyright videos for editing in YouTube, you just have to do is you have to search for a website pexels.com. After that you will see the interface of the website. From here you can download photos, videos for your YouTube editing. As you can see, discover, popular collection, photography topics, background cover photo, discover. There are many options, video option. Here you can see you can get any type of videos in high quality. And now I'll show you how to download them. You just have to do is you have to click on that download sign over there, that one. Just you have to click on it and then click on allow. Now your video or photo is being downloaded and it is downloaded, as you can see. So this is the website for downloading videos, photos for your YouTube editing. Thank you for watching the video.